Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So I'm super excited today because we've got a brand new calendar update. As you can see on the screen, it is beautiful. So a couple things here. We are not only adding a lot of new features to the calendar, but we also want to make the calendar a lot easier to use. And this is a great example of the team doing just this. So let's dive into the notes real quick, and then let's look at some of the screenshots, and then we'll go into the app and take a look at it in real time. So first of all, we've upgraded the calendars, and the goal here with this release is to allow users to create a calendar within 30 seconds in the basic setup. Where a user can create a calendar by simply entering the name of the calendar URL, the meeting location, and boom, we're up and we're operational. So a few of the changes that we've incorporated in this release: we've added quick tips to the advanced calendar settings page. We've renamed unassigned to simple calendar. So those of you who have long since seen unassigned versus group or those types of other things, we just sort of called it a simple calendar, and you can see it here on my screen. So when you go to create a calendar, it's just going to pop this up and say, hey, listen, what do you want to do here? Oh, I just want to do a simple calendar where I'm going to be using like a one-on-one meeting. Oh, I want to do round robin. Oh, I want to do class booking. And then we also have collective booking here coming out very shortly. So we tried to make this really easy when it comes to actually setting up a brand new calendar. So please note, we've made this available only in Labs. So that's the most important thing here. So you're going to go into a sub account, and I'll show this to you in a second. We're going to go into the settings. We're going to go into Labs, and we're going to enable this feature. So that's that. This was a massive lift. So we had a huge lift from the calendar team. They've been working on this now for probably like a month and a half. So huge props to them for making this happen. Let's see here if I missed anything else. Let's just jump through the screenshots for fun. So you can see when you create a new calendar, the goal here is to make this the setup very simple. So we by default are just showing the most basic settings, and then down at the bottom here you can see advanced settings. There's that, and then when you're done, it shows you the link. It makes it that easy. It gives you the embed code, tries to make that easy as well. And then here you go. When it comes to meeting details and all the sort of more in-depth settings, you've got that here as well, so you can see those. And then you can set availability, you can set customization. So you have all of the same things you had before, hopefully just laid out a lot more logically and a lot easier. Let's jump into the app real quick and take a look in. Okay, so I am in a sub account. I'm going to go to settings real quick. I'm going to go to Labs. I'm going to move my head out of the way, and I'm going to scroll down, and enhanced calendar creation. I'm going to turn this on. Boop. And again, I like to point this out. So what is Labs? Labs is us saying to you, listen, we are going to be bringing this out as the only version of how this works going forward, but we love to give you the capacity to preview it, update your help docs, train your users, all that stuff. So we put it in Labs so you can turn it on a sub account by sub account basis, but we tell you very clearly right here, hey, listen, if there's not a big issue of some kind or another, we're going live with this in 33 days, aka July 3rd. So be ready. So that's just kind of gives you an opportunity to test it out, give us feedback, and then also update your stuff on your side. So anyways, I've gone ahead and I've already enabled this. Now I roll over to calendars, and now check this out. We already had this brand new UX UI refresh here, and I apologize, I'm on hotel Wi-Fi, so I'm a little slow. But when I go to create calendar here it is. Check this out. So you can see here, what do I want to do? Okay, I'll just do a simple calendar. A simple calendar is like a one-to-one meeting kind of thing. I hit this. It asks me, okay, Sean, what do you need to do here? I can pop out the advanced settings. Oh, shoot. I got to go be like test simple calendar. There we go. Test dash simple dash calendar. Done. Okay, meeting duration, all's looking good. Now if I want to, I can hit advanced settings, and bam, I'm going to pop into this bigger area here where I can go through all the different options. But again, I think this is a much simpler way to have this laid out. I think the team did an amazing job making this happen. And now here you can see, oh, no Google integration. Please connect your Google Calendar on the integrations page. So this is for anybody who is doing the that traditional Google Sync, although the two-way Google Sync obviously is the preferred way to do this. Oh, actually, you know what? That was just hotel Wi-Fi. Just kidding. Okay, cool. So now you select your Google Calendar, you're good to go. And then finally, any customizations you want to do in terms of any of the widget stylings, custom codes, that kind of thing. So on that note, I hope all of you are having an awesome Wednesday. I cannot wait to see what you think about this great change of the calendars, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.